friends, good morning all. This is the good morning my side. So today what I am going to show you, how we can display the progress bar. So the progress bar, in the previous version we did, like in Navision, in the Cal section, where the green sections, the showers when we are posting any journal lines or anywhere else with the posted documents. But we have missing this feature in the on cloud version in Business Central. So what I did today, I tried to show the progress bar in a simplest way. There can be many ways to do that task. So if anyone has a better solution, so please let me know. It would be good to the uh, include those points, right? So what I did here, let me show you what I did here. I just created a progress page. Here you can see this is nothing. This is the simply a number, because I took integer table behind this page. This is the card page. So to show you the progress bar, actually what I did, I just created a button here. You see the action. So if I click on this button, you'll see the counting and the progressing, the going on. Okay, so this is the way I try to show. So let's go behind the scene how I did it. Okay, let me show you and open the code. Okay, so this is my launch file. Okay, so if I go here and show you the page, so this is the page you were looking at, where I was showing my action. So this is the layout. I just created only one field and displayed that, and the boom part is in this action. Okay, so this is the button name I show you. Let me show you again. This one, the progress page function show progress, right? Let me make it big for you. Okay, now just make it down. Okay, so what I did here, I took multiple variables and took one label for show the counting percentage. You know better, and why we do, and we take this at the rate. Okay, and the second one, the important one, is the progress bar specification, where my text as a progress bar is showing. So I put it number 2 and make a caption of this progressing. So what I did, I took two integer variables here. You see, I and j. I initialize my window dialog, open, and shown to those labels. The first one, the text counting, which will show you the percentage, and the second one will show you the progress bar actually. Okay, so we have some history table in the system. So one of them, there is a customer ledger entry. So I found this is the best table to work on, because this table has a number of records, right? So it is better to loop on this table. Okay, so what I did nothing, only I just set range of the customer ledger entry with the entry number, then the find set, and then repeating my loop on this table. So first of all, I just counted the total number of records, how many records we have, and now initializing my I and j variable, which I have put it 0 before opening the dialog box. So now this is the section where you can put your logic or statements here or any data processing, right? So you can put your logic or any processing you want to do between this loop. It can be anything. If you want to use it, so you can put your logic, create a find set, and then right do it. So now again what I'm doing, when the processing goes on, you know, then in previous version we how we do and we show the counting percentage, right? In the same way I am just showing and updating the dialog box, right? So but the second part, how I'm showing the progressing with the black text. Okay, so this is the logic I did and I written here. So what I'm doing here, first of all I'm just counting my records, how many records I have in that table, right? And then what I'm doing, I'm just taking, I know to make the progress bar 100%, I dividing with the number of records 10 times, you know. So what I did, let's suppose I have here, I just counted here, the total number of records was, total records in customer ledger entry are 420. I just counted it. Okay, so what I am doing, 420 divided by 10 is coming to 42, and then again I'm dividing the 42 divided by 10, so it is coming again 4.2, and then multiplying by 4. Why it is? Because when I'm showing the progress bar character, okay, I'm just forget to tell you how the progress is showing. The progress bar, I just took a label here. You see, this is the special character, the ASCII character, the normal character. Okay, you can find in a Google, the progress bar keyboard characters, right? So from there I just copied and pasted it here, so that it will increase and append this progress bar character like this. Okay, so I took it one time here only, and then I put my, so I was telling you how I'm showing and calculating that. So when we are putting here those formula to calculate the percentage, how much percentage is already been completed when the system is looping through in the repeated and section. Okay, so it automatically does and calculate the percentage like 1 2 3 4 up to 10. Okay, but we cannot get how the system is actually calculating behind the number of percentage, right? So it is under this function, so we cannot go inside. So to check out when the 1% is going to be completed, so by putting this formula I am just checking when the actual 1% is completed. Okay, so if I go to 420 divided by 10, so it is coming 42, right? So 42 is a 10% of 420, right? So if I took 1% of it, so again I have to divide by 10. So now it is coming 4.2, right? So but we have the extra width of this character. So to control this character so that it does not break into the second line or out of the dialog window, so that is why I'm just calculating by 4, right? And then again the other condition I am just putting in the if is that the total of number of is should work this until we have I less than equal to the total record of this table we have put it here, right? So now the second part is the text builder I am taking to append this character like this way I have shown you. So it will add this character again and again when it will jump into this condition. So you can also take, instead of this, you can also take a variable like new variable, show progress x2 text, right? So copy, and you can also like this, show progress 2 equal to and plus this one, right? So in the same way it will add this and append this character into this variable. So for fasting and for the current feature we are using the text builder. So I'm not using this one, so I will use this one. So whenever it will jump into this if condition, it will append my character again and again and will show this text builder text into this window dialog with option 2 here. Okay, and again when it becomes and match this number of records and my condition, jump into this if condition and then becomes it 0, so that it can again find my number of records and check the conditions and show my text. So I am putting here it's sleep because if I don't put it here, it will, because we are not processing anything in between. So that is why I need to take the sleep section here, so that I can show you for the delay how it is working, right? So if I save it and remove this variable, I don't need this. So now I will publish it again. Okay, so this is the page here is coming. Let's check it again. Okay, so this is the actually a character what I have shown you in the label. I have to, right, this one, this one. I hope you like my video and this new feature I just built. Let me know if you have a better way so that I can put it, and any feedback on my video, let me know. Thank you so much. Meet you again very soon.